Good morning, BoatingBanters.com fans. Captain Larry here with Chapter 22. Come on aboard. This is the part 2 of our bench seat, rear bench seat reupholstery. I tried to finish it yesterday and I just couldn't get it all done. So here we are. Hopefully today we will get it done. This is a little first quick show. I want to show you what I've done and how I'm planning this, and let's see if it works out. Here we go. Okay, the key, I have cut out all the pieces now. So this is the way it's going to be set up. So I measured and cut. But like I said, what I was really concerned with was trying to match up the stripes, colors, and also the pleats, so they look like some degree of organization here. And so what I did, I simply laid out the cut out pieces of vinyl, and I've now placed the backrest on them, so I can kind of get an idea where everything's going to fall. So all I simply did was mark where the blue starts and stops. Again, blue starts and stops, and also, of course, where the pleat lines run, and I marked that on there. So now all that I'm hopefully going to have to do is staple these together, get the tack done, and get them, bring it back and recheck, make sure that I do have everything lined up, and then we sew, and then we assemble, and hopefully everything's going to be fine. One beauty of it is both the seat, which kind of just sits in there in the boat, and this backrest have like probably an inch of play one way or the other. This is screwed on, so what I can do is I'll put the seat in, and when I'm mounting the backrest, I will adjust so that hopefully if we got our space pretty well right, that if I went half an inch off or something like that, then I can simply move it a little bit and we should be fine. So anyway, that's what we'll do today, and we're going to finish this project today. We'll be right back. Welcome back, Boating Banter fans. I've got it tacked together, so let's see, give it a run here at the sewing machine and see if everything's going to line up the way we were hoping. Yeah, I'm trying to use about 1/8 of an inch, a 1/2 inch seam here. Let's go. And again, this is so bulky, it's going to be a challenge. But I'm using this outside foot, or the inside foot, I guess I should say, and I'm trying to keep it just inside the vinyl. Obviously not the ideal way to be sewing because of the size of the get the other side down there. This is really where a big table would be a huge, huge benefit. But we don't have one, so we'll have to make do. up all right. Let's see. Take the staples out, I'll move the machine, and we'll relay it out with the backrest and see how we look. Be right back. Welcome back again. Looks like you did a perfect job. See our blue, right on the blue, and all of our pleats. Looks like they're lining up very, very well. So it looks like we did a good job. I already see though we were going to have some struggle. If you go to the other side of the blue, I'm missing already a quarter of an inch, and then when I sew the other two tan plates on, it's going to take more away, so I'll be a good half inch off on that. And I don't know what happened. Like I say, this never ceases to amaze me, but at least this is the visual, the center where we want to really be good, and I think we're very, very good from here in. Going out is going to be a little questionable, but it's about as good as I can do, I guess. So we'll just finish sewing, and then I'll bring you back when we're mounting it. So we should be almost done with this. See you. Welcome back, everybody. Here we are again. Finally, finally, I got everything sewed together, and the big thing, the big exciting thing, is we don't have too much vinyl this time. I'm so excited. If you look over here, our edge is right on the foam edge. So that looks perfect. And this one here is perfect, right on the edge here. Of course, we're going to be going out a little bit when we start stretching these. But anyway, it looks fantastic. So I think this is really going to turn out well. I measured the backrest again, and again, we're here. Right here, we're looking good. You get a little further out, we're a little shaky, but about as good as I can do. These are the original boxing. I like, again, to keep them and mark them so that when I just cut square, as you can see, they're all wrinkled and roly-poly, but most all boxing is strictly square unless you have a huge bullnose on the front where they may loop the top of it, but most of it's square, and this is square, as you'll see. Right over it. So we'll be able to work with that. And here I marked the curves where this is going to come in. So we want to obviously line that up so that's close to being right. So anyway, we're in great, great shape. I'm going to sew the boxing on, and then we'll assemble. I'll bring you back when we're assembling. See you in a minute. Welcome back, everybody. Captain Larry here. I finished rough tacking the seat, and I wanted to make sure that we were still in line with our blues and our pleating, in which we are. It looks like we're in pretty good shape. Not too bad over here. We're off about a quarter and a half inch, I think, on where the brown starts there. I don't know what happened. That didn't work too well, but again, this is the focus point. So from here out, we're all right. I see where I'm going to have, I'll do the only thing we got left now is to do the finished stapling on this, and then putting the backing and the height on there. So that will be our next test. I see where we're going to have a couple of real problems right here. And this corner, for some reason, did not come out well at all. And I might have a little bit of trouble right here. I'll pull it and stretch it. Like I say, I only put a few tacks in, so we're not done. But this came out very nice, and that came out good, and these browns came out fine. So it's just going to be these 4 areas here. I think we're going to have a struggle with our stapling. I think I'm almost positive we're going to have to steam them to get them to lie down a little bit better. But that would be a good time to steam. Like I said before, best time to steam is when you're tacking. So you can steam it, get a little supple, and then yank it. And you probably have a lot better luck. And we can at least minimize these. I don't think this was a sewing mistake. I could be wrong, but it's odd that they're both in the exact same spot. So I think it's more of a pulling thing and just this bunching in that area. So anyway, that's it for this little section. And I don't think we'll go into I'll just finish stapling it and show you the finished product tomorrow. How about that? And we'll go from there. You have a great day.